Hey guys, this is Madepsa. I'm out here in downtown LA. I'm gonna go to IO Music Academy. They have a free workshop and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go try it out. So we're gonna go see what the workshop's all about. Shout out to that academy. I'm just taking opportunities as they go, and whatever's open, I'm gonna do it. I miss everyone. I've been getting closer with the artist route, the artist connection. We're hanging in there and we're doing our best as we can. I have a lot of projects coming up, and if you guys want to learn and be a part of how you can do your own, follow, stay up to date with my socials. I'm gonna be sharing a lot about, if you guys are familiar with affiliate marketing, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but if you want to make money from home, like there's some niche and tricks that we are gonna put together. At the end of the day, this is like my blog channel. It's like my journal and also what helps me. I want to help you guys. When it comes to the help, you guys can just do your twist in your own way, but this is my twist and it's definitely music related and my journey with just the whole artist experience and all of the events that I performed in August. So